Dissolved oxygen sensors are core equipment for beverage factories to monitor the oxygen content in liquids in real time. The level of dissolved oxygen directly affects the taste, stability, shelf life, and microbiological safety. Different types of beverage factories have different needs for dissolved oxygen monitoring, concentrated in key stages such as production and process, raw material storage, and finished product bottling. In mineral water production, monitoring dissolved oxygen aims to prevent excessive oxygen from causing microbial growth on the pipe or container walls, and to prevent oxygen from reacting with minerals in the water, leading to turbidity and off flavors. In fruit juice production, monitoring dissolved oxygen levels can inhibit enzymatic browning. Oxygen activates polyphenol oxidase, causing discoloration and flavor degradation in the juice, and also reduces the oxidative loss of nutrients such as vitamin C. Different products have different dissolved oxygen limits. Beverage factories commonly use portable dissolved oxygen meters and online dissolved oxygen sensors for monitoring dissolved oxygen. Online sensors are divided into two categories: polarographic and fluorescence methods. Their principle mainly involves converting oxygen concentration into a readable electrical or optical signal through electrochemical or optical reactions. Polarographic dissolved oxygen sensor. A redox reaction occurs at the probe cathode, generating a current whose magnitude is directly proportional to the dissolved oxygen level. Suitable for raw water monitoring where high accuracy is not required, and for ambient temperature beverage storage tanks. The MD series online polarographic dissolved oxygen sensor, developed by Delfino. Measurement range 0 to 40 mg per liter, ambient and high temperature options available. Encased in 316 stainless steel, equipped with a temperature unit for rapid temperature detection and compensation. Fluorescent dissolved oxygen sensor. It detects oxygen concentration through changes in fluorescence signals, rather than relying on electrochemical reactions. Compared to polarography, it experiences no current interference and eliminates the need for periodic replacement of consumables, electrolyte, breathable membrane, simplifying maintenance. Suitable for mobile detection or real-time monitoring of pipelines or tanks used in beverage production. Delfino's OPD 890 fluorescent dissolved oxygen digital sensor. Measurement range 0 to 20 mg per liter, temperature 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Made of 316L stainless steel and titanium alloy. Built-in temperature sensor for automatic temperature compensation. Also supports salinity and pressure compensation. Delfino provides a matching controller that enables a wide range of functions, including display, calibration, historical data recording, and output. Dissolved oxygen monitoring in beverage factories primarily uses fluorescence methods. However, specific product scenarios necessitate the use of different types of dissolved oxygen sensors to ultimately ensure stable product quality.